This video will show how to use the map layer options in QuakeFeed. While viewing the map, tap the third button in the bottom row of buttons to open the map settings screen. In the middle of the screen, you can see the map layers available in QuakeFeed. I will quickly demonstrate each of them. First, I will turn on the plate lines and faults. I will also change the base map to the gray canvas. This will make the faults easier to see. When the map is zoomed out, you will see the tectonic plate lines. And as you zoom in, the faults will appear. The Map Legend button in the top right corner of the map shows you what the different colors for the plate lines and faults mean. Next, I will show you what the Shake Map MMI contours are. For this, I will switch back to the World Imagery base map. The MMI contours show the shaking intensity. For an explanation of the color coding, tap the Map Legend button in the top right corner and scroll down. Now I will show you the Erupting Volcanoes layer. Erupting volcanoes are displayed on the map with a red triangle symbol. You can tap on a symbol to get more details, including a link to the volcanoes page on the Smithsonian Volcanoes website. Next, I will demonstrate the USA and Canada's wildfires layer. You can tap on a wildfire symbol to learn more details about the fire. The details screen will include a link to the State Wildfire Agency, and when available, will also include a link to the incident page on either InciWeb or CAL FIRE. This is a great place to find safety information about the fire. Next, I will turn on the smoke forecast layer. This layer animates showing the smoke forecast for the next 6 hours. You can pause and restart the animation. Tap the Map Legend button for an explanation of the wildfire symbols and the colors in the smoke forecast layers. The final layer I need to show is the hurricanes. Here in the Pacific, you can see Hurricane Dora, which played a role in creating the strong winds that fueled the fires in Hawaii. This line shows the observed path, and this is the hurricane forecast cone. The Map Legend includes a detailed explanation of the hurricane symbols. All of these map layers are available with a QuakeFeed Premium subscription.